My name is Rahul Mishra, and we will continue with our next call from last session. You saw that we have hit the get request. Sorry, we hit the get request, and we verified the status code, and we verified the response and we fetch the response. So we use the verification by the RestAssured, and second is test ng. So today we will see how to we use post call. So how can we hit the post call? For the demo purpose, I just downloaded this. Just it's an open API where when we hit this API, it will create a data. And the response is this is in JSON format. So let's see how can we create that. Create a data, create a user, create a users in the system, or a post call. So we will start test engine, and test engine public void post with user. Okay, so now we are creating a user. For that we will use RestAssured dot okay, base path, and our path is this is a base path of that, and rest assured no base URI, and this is a base URI. Okay. Then what we'll do, we'll start with given dot body. So in post call we have to send a data. So when you are providing, it means you are giving to the system, so you have to provide here body. You can see the input type is string or any request specification. So we'll in later session I will show you how to create this. But right now you can see body dot when we are hitting the post call dot then given when, then the status code http state. Sorry. So here we are creating. So created. Last time we see the success. See, okay. This time we created. So it will create. So here either you can provide the base path here. If you don't want to use it, you have to provide it like this way, or you can set the RestAssured base path here. Both ways are correct, and we have to send this is a body. Right now I am sending this as it is, and the content JSON. So right now it is a JSON format, you can see. So that's why I'm sending content type as. So right now okay, so let hit. We are hitting this request. It is successful, but it's not printing anything. So what we can add those things in here. Means we will print those things. So logging, to add a log, just click on log dot or everything. So local will cover the everything. But what happened? Given is it will show you what the input we are providing, and we want to see the what is the outcome also. So again you have to add all. Now hit the response. Here you are seeing there is nothing, but now you will see details. So you can see the request method pose this content type which we set the application JSON, cookies multipart there is nothing, body is JSON format, and now the response from the local 200 creator, this content name, the header response headers, and the response body. So we are getting the same response body, but we we already seen how to verify the data. So in you have to save this response in somewhere. Okay, reason being it is created. So we need to given when, then we need to remove it then, and here response dot, okay, it is created. So this is way we are getting response, and we in response dot then dot body, similar way which we seen in past. We can add those things if you want to verify. So just printing those so that you can see, or you can use the assert dot assert true response dot or JSON. Okay, then is not required. JSON path, you can provide the JSON path here, or dot get, you need to provide the variable name, and set true dot equals other object the name. We can check it. And second way is using the response that as that same way you can use it. Just to save time, just copy paste it, and we'll see job, this time job equal to leaders. Here we are using crest for the verification. Let's run it again. You can see test case get part, assertion was working fine, and those things. So this is a very simplest way to create a user using the post call. In future we will see how do we will modify the JSON input body in a different format at the runtime, how to provide. Okay, one more example, we will use this thing. So this time we will not provide the JSON post call, and save it, and I'm running it again. So you can see this time it's also here we didn't provide the path, and it's the path is completed by the base path. So this is all I want to show you. So next session we will see how to use those things, but we will continue with the different calls and then see again. Thank you.